Hi guys, it's Big John here from Ludwig Motorsport, and we got the heated grip, so we're going to install it in the bike. So we got the controller, the physical grips, the fuse, and the battery connector. So now we're going to install this right now. First, you want to take off the cowls, and then pop off the seat to get to the battery. That is one. One cowl out. That is now off. So when you're taking off your plastics, you might run up to this type of pin, which is just a circle with a little tinier circle in the middle. So all you have to do for these is take something pointy and push in the inside, and then you can pop it off. And then once you want to put that thing back on, take it out, pop it so that pin is up. Put it in the hole and push it down until it's flat. Now we take off the seat, which is there's 2 bolts on each side. Really big boys. Now we got the bolts off. Take the seat off, and the battery is right under there. So it's just this little cover covering it with the fuse. Alright, nothing's actually touching that there. Alright. Now we got access to the battery. That's just right there. Positive, positive, negative, negative, and I still had it reversed. I need the need for speed. Alright, now just take the cables, put them underneath the bolts for your battery in there. Same thing. Alright, now that the battery is done, what we can do, so now we're going to lift up the tank and bring these cables up to the front handlebar. All you need to do is do the 2 bolts in the front, or however your tank's mounted, and just lift it up. It helps if your tank is running on a little empty. You give the tool that's provided. There we go. Right, wire this. We're going to push it underneath around there, come up around the frame right there. There we go. And now after we get everything situated, zip tie it all together. So now we got the battery hooked up. Now we're gonna work on the grips. So all you gotta do is take off the caps if you have them, and then get out your knife and cut these off. When you're taking off these sliders, use a screwdriver to take them off. Do not use an impact, because you might strip it like I did right here. So now we got the frame sliders on the handlebars taken off. Now we're just gonna do some surgical cutting, cut this grip off, and then we can slide the new one. To do that, just grab a nice sharp knife and start by this end and work your way out. Start by cutting it nicely. It's rubber that cuts real nicely, so you just cut away at it. There is the throttle here on the right side that you don't want to kind of scratch the plastic underneath, so just take your time on this one. The other one, you have the metal bar that you can kind of cut into. Where's the lamb sauce?
Thanks for cutting this one nice and smooth so I can use it.
Oh, sorry. Now what you want to do with your knife is cut off all the ridges and the lip at the very end of the handlebar to fit on the heated grip. Alright, guys, we just got done taking off the old grip, and we had a whole bunch of ridges here. Had a little ridge right here and a ridge right here. We just took a utility knife and cut it all down nice and flat, so that way we can put on the grips nice and easily. Put it all the way on, and look at that. Look how nice that looks. So now we're just going to make sure we have the grips where we want them. Put glue and slide it back on, and that's it for the grips. So we're going to make sure that nothing hits the brake pedal, that the wires are not going to snag on anything. Oh yeah, that's good right there. Put that inline there, and the same on the other side. The instructions make it very clear to use the glue that is provided with your grips. So they're on Oxford. Come in like that. Make sure you pop the thing. Take your grip off. And it said, oh no. Oh, that came out super. The super glue came out super fast. We'll just worry about this one at a time. Glue. All right. That's what she wrote right there. Grips part are now done. So now we're going to go back, lift the tank up, and figure out where we want to put the controller. Alright guys, we just figured out where we're going to put this on the motorcycle. So they give you a bracket for 2 bolts, but the 2 bolts they're referring to are these. And when you put that on, it's too close to your kill switch, and it's just too busy on that section. I want to control it with my left hand while I'm riding. So we're going to put it on this flat surface here with the double-sided tape that they provided. Put it there and mount the wires underneath it, making sure at full deadlock it does not hit anything, the tank or the frame. So just to put that on, just take off one side, plop it on there, take the other side, plop it on there. There you go. That is installed. Alright, so now we just have to worry about the wiring for this bike. So I'm thinking we're going to have all the wires be underneath the bike so you won't see it. We're going to hide as best we can in the space provided underneath the air filter. So we just got finished cable managing it, and we managed to hide all the wires underneath the tank just at the side of the air filter. So you can't really see the wires other than the throttle cable that needs slack, and the other one that is with the other wires and the controller itself. But it looks pretty good. Now it's time to go rip it out and test her out. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, it's Big John, and this is how to drop your motorcycle.
You son of a bitch. You son.
Jordan, no. Jordan. Right, come back.